Here we are in downtown Ninh Bình, and these are the party buses, karaoke and all. These are the famous ducks here roasting away. This is a restaurant we came, which the first day we didn't really like, Hong Viet family restaurant. This is giving you an idea of how busy things are. It's raining a little bit, first time at night. This one is dead, totally dead. Here's some supermarkets, small ones. We're right across from the bus stop, so a lot of people hanging out, getting ready to take the bus. What's this, Chow Bao? Not too busy. This is a night walk in Ninh Bình. What's this place? Chef Hien. We came here last night and it was pretty good. It was packed yesterday, but not as busy today. And here are the ducks roasting. There's the ducks that we ate. Okay, let's continue walking and we will see this place. What's this? Family restaurant. Here's some of the menu here. We ate here 2 days ago and it was pretty good. We actually ate the duck, and this is the duck roasting here. There it goes, roasting, roasting, roasting away. Famous for ducks. They taste pretty good. They're not too fatty and very meaty. So that's the family restaurant, which we think is pretty good. Next, Little Italy if you want pizza. I hear a lot of noise here. This one, the farm restaurant hostel. Oh, there's another bus. Not too busy today. The Tam Coc bus karaoke. Dao Phuket bar, totally dead. What's this one? Ling Chi craft beer. Only foreigners. Not a soul. Oh, did they have happy hours? Happy hours. But a beer sometimes is only, that's not that cheap, because you get a bottle of beer for like 15, 20 for a big one. That's draft beer, which is usually cheaper. What's this place? More happy hours. It's the 1, 2, 3 hour zoo. Not too busy. What's this one? The pig family. Totally dead. More happy hours, but these are only drafts. Oh, hello. Oh, nice duck. Very good. Michael Jackson and duck. Good. What's this one? The Gai Main Beer Market. Not too much beer happening there, but more ducks happen here. These ducks look skinnier. Okay, we are looking for our place that we had lunch this afternoon, which was really good. I think it's just ahead here. Where is it? Can't find it. This end is getting very dead. Is this it? Oh yeah, there it is. That's our favorite place there. It's across the street. We gave it a thumbs up on our reviews. Here it is. Okay, let's go for the second time. Here we are. We're walking in. Don't know if they recognize us. And we are going to eat. That concludes our walk through downtown in Tam Coc, Ninh Bình at nighttime.